Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education channel. Today let us start a new lesson. The name of the lesson is Adventures of Toto, and this is from your Moments textbook. This lesson is written by Ruskin Bond, famous Indian English writer Ruskin Bond. And here Toto means a little monkey. It is the name of a little monkey. Writer's grandfather bought this monkey from a Tonga driver for 5 rupees. When he brought this monkey to home, what are the mischiefs were done by that monkey? About that, the writer described in this lesson. He used the term adventures for the mischiefs of that monkey. Now let us see the lesson. Grandfather bought Toto from a Tonga driver for sum of 5 rupees. Grandfather bought this monkey from a Tonga driver for 5 rupees. 5 rupees, that time it was big amount. The Tonga driver used to keep the little red monkey tied to a feeding trough, and the monkey looked so out of place there that grandfather decided he would add the little fellow to his private zoo. Yes, the Tonga driver, he used to keep the little red monkey tied to a feeding trough. Feeding trough means, you see, a container to provide food to animals, like this one big container. For that container, the Tonga driver used to tie this monkey. And monkey looked so out of place there, and grandfather thought the monkey was out of its place. Means he thought that place was not suitable place for that monkey. Grandfather decided he would add the little fellow to his private zoo. So grandfather decided to add this monkey to his private zoo. The grandfather had a private zoo. Okay. He decided to add that monkey to that zoo. Toto was a pretty monkey. Toto was pretty means good looking, beautiful monkey. His bright eyes sparkled with mischief beneath deep set eyebrows. His bright eyes, they sparkled means shone. Okay. They shone with mischief. They were shining with mischief beneath deep set of eyebrows. Here, deep set of eyebrows. Beneath those eyebrows, his eyes were sparkling with mischief. And his teeth, which were a pearly white, and he had pearly white color teeth. Like pearl, they were white. Okay. His teeth were white like pearl. Okay. Were very often displayed in a smile that frightened the life out of elderly Anglo-Indian ladies. Yes, sometimes he used to display, used to show his teeth, and that would frighten the elderly Anglo-Indian ladies. Okay, probably some Anglo-Indian ladies were living near writer's house. Okay, those ladies were afraid of this monkey. Especially, they were afraid of his teeth. But his hands looked dried up as though they had been pickled in the sun for many years. But his hands looked dried up. They were ugly looking. Okay. As though they had pickled in the sun for many years. They had pickled means dried up because of sun rays. They were looking like that. At his fingers were quick and wicked, but his fingers were quick. Okay, they used to touch some things very quickly, and they were wicked. Wicked means evil or mischievous. Okay, his fingers, they used to do one or the other mischief. And his tail, while adding to his good looks. But his tail was adding to his good look. Means it increased the beauty. The tail increased the beauty of this monkey. Grandfather believed a tail would add to anyone's good look. Grandfather had the belief that a tail would add to anyone's good looks. Means tail gives beauty to animal. That was the opinion of grandfather. Also served as a third hand for Toto. His tail served as a third hand. Sometimes he used to use his tail as a third hand. He could use it to hang from a branch. Sometimes he used to coil his tail to a twig and he used to hang. And it was capable of scooping up any delicacy that might be out of reach of his hands. And sometimes it was helping him to scooping up. Scooping up means lifting up any delicacy. Delicacy means pleasing food that might be out of reach of his hands. Sometimes if some delicate food is there, if his hands were not reaching there, that time he used his tails to lift up those delicate food. Okay, like this, his tail was serving as a third hand for this monkey Toto. So here we have seen the physical description of this little monkey. Okay, let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session. Thank you for watching video.